Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Wednesday, November 16th, right at the New York close. Let's get right into it with micro oil. We opened inside of the range from yesterday. Below that close, we had some selling take place, finding support around that HVA, and then bouncing off and hitting resistance once, twice, three times. You can see it was a very tight inside move, but plenty of opportunity for potential entries here in micro oil. But with that said, it did finish net down for the day. As far as gold goes, gold, we opened ever so slightly above that close. Close was around here. Had some initial buying, and then they found a ceiling where they went once, twice. Boom, boom, sold off, while still being around that HVA edge. Again, these areas, these high volume areas, are drawn the night before the next day's pit session opens. So keep that in mind. So there's 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 potential opportunities in gold. With that said, gold also did finish net down for the day. As we're wrapping up here in our equities, it was a very inside and tight day. Not a whole lot of opportunities. But with that said, we opened inside the range below the close. Had to move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times at that edge alone for potential opportunities in the ES. And yes, we are finishing net down for the day. Similar story in the Nasdaq, micro Nasdaq here. It's just so choppy. It felt like it wanted to break out, but just can never get there. As far as the Nasdaq goes, it did open below the close and just kind of went sideways. You can just see they made some lows right after the open, and they did not want to go any lower for a very long time, 13 minutes or so. You can just see that here, I'll clear the drawings out. This brick here, they were not wanting to move. It was very tight. Ton of participation there, but they did not want to move. It took them about 5 minutes just to break this area, and then they came down. There were some potential entries at this edge. Just the cleanliness of the setup just was not there, though. You'll see if you watch the win-loss break-even videos that there were some students that had executed along that edge. So watch that video. But with that said, today was just choppy. There was no momentum or follow through with most of the moves. It was just a fight to make any headway. But ultimately, we are finishing net down in our equities, net down in gold, and net down in oil. So it's just a down day. If you guys have any questions or are interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before, or if you're wondering what else we do, well, you can reach out to us. So I can tell you, we are a trading education company. So what that means is we don't make calls for trades to execute. You don't follow along. We teach you our method, and you execute on your own and submit them to our room or our email, and we'll go over them live in the room and educate you and those in the room about that entry on top of what's going on in the market and what we're potentially looking for, the setups. So both no experience or those who have experience are welcome to look into what we do. Feel free to find out more information through one of our representatives. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Like I said, get in touch with one of our representatives. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.